no skill to that. It's just, well, it depends.
Yeah, the gang's all here.
You think Corbin might be a good That's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But if you were a Sunday RA, the floater would take your Sunday shift.
Wow. Do you have something to cut it on?
So you
No, you just hold it. It's not that hard.
Emma,
You have to Fruit Ninja. Throw it up
Yes,
in the air.
Fruit Ninja.
That's not-
we're ready for round two
Usually the
of
skins of fruits
Corbin.
and vegetables is like the most.
Round two, Hill.
round two.
You
Wait, why did
excited?
you eat the skin of Italy? Just because you didn't want to throw it out?
I didn't feel
Allison's eating a kiwi. Allison came home.
I came home for Corbin Blue.
For Corbin.
For kiwi.
Corbin or
Kiwi
kiwi?
side.
Which one's better?
Answer in the comments below what you think is the real reason.
Allison, your neck looks so long. So we're excited. It's T-minus 6 minutes until Corbin. 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 Corbin.
Oh, we were allowed to do like stuff like plays and stuff like that.
Stop.
No, that's not how that works.
You don't want to share.
Allison, what do you think of Corbin? Rach, what do you think of Corbin? Emma, what do you think of Corbin?
Something about the bank.
So we're standing in line waiting for Corbin Blue. We can't take selfies with him.
But we can take pictures of him.
We can take pictures of him, but not selfies with him. There's someone who is in the play. I'm gonna have him sign my book. How neat is that? Laurel signed to this one. We don't know who that is.
I think it's Yanni.
Laurel or Yanni. I don't know. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
You're so great.
Thanks. Thanks for coming. Thank you.
Thank you. How neat was that? Who was that? Was it Cosmo?
It was pretty neat. That was Cosmo.
Yay.
Just say good job.
Are you excited for
I've never
Corbin?
been more thrilled.
I really think you should tell him that you play Don Lockwood.
I need to. I need to.
Or we could just say, we put on Singing in the Rain one time.
For our family. No. We're just patiently waiting for Corbin to be out here. Who? There goes Cosmo. Bye, Cosmo. The guy in the green. Bye, Cosmo. Those two are. Oh man, he's going. Gotta go fast.
Gotta go fast.
Cosmo Brown. Cosmo Brown. Hi, you were so good.
Yes, what do I do?
Big heart. Wow. You. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much.
Now you have my DNA.
Okay, false alarm. This is Cosmo Brown. The last guy was not.
It's hot. I know it's hot tonight.
Hi, how are you?
Not much there. Wait.
You perfect. Can you sign this too? Thank you so much. You were so good.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Wow, this is to be enough room. I know. I don't know what to do. Emma's freaking out. Jeffrey just kissed it. Not that Jeffrey, the other one. The other. He kissed it right there, but then he drew lips around it because he didn't have his lip liner on, obviously.
The awkward moment where we congratulated someone else on being Cosmo.
Morgan's favorite
I got it.
Wrong one.
This guy, Eddie, I don't know who that is. But he had the best role, didn't he?
Hi.
You were so good.
Thank you.
We're not saying that you should, but you can if you want.
I have this lip mat, and I don't even know if it would stick. Let's try. Okay. No.
That's okay. It's the thought that counts. It's definitely the thought that
I
counts.
can't get any on Corbin, so I like.
That's very impressive,
It's
though.
like 100% proof lipstick that I had. to
That's
buy.
amazing. That's amazing.
Thank you.
It was so good.
Thanks. Thank you guys for coming. Oh, of course.
Yes.
Good. I'm glad that you liked it.
So good. That lady got to kiss Corbin Blue on the freaking lips.
Hang on. It is. It's like
Have a pen. You need to mark around.
Oh my gosh. Wait till later. Wait till I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Wait till after the other people sign it, because then they'll be like, why is it red? Why is it weird? Yeah.
Why is it weird? Why did someone bleed on your body? They are wrestling. What team?
Wildcats.
What team?
Wildcats.
What team?
Wildcats.
Wildcats. Get your head in the game.
Corbin.
Corbin, 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 Corbin. Huge shout out to Jeffrey for loving me through this fandom.
I'm here to take pictures of her getting something signed by Corbin Blue. I'm just here to do my job.
True love. He loves me. I love him. Hi, Corbin. Oh my God. This is just so casual. Just Corbin Blue right there. Love of my life. Wow, 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 wow.
Okay, that's very
Wow, 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 wow.
That was
Wow.
and then I like turned to say something and like I almost like hit his
He's literally right there.
washed her cheek.
I'll never wash again.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. I just seriously so close to him. Oh my goodness. This is it.
Ready? Here we go. Who's gonna pick first? 1, 2.
Corbin, wow. Wow, what an honor to meet you. You're so good. We do.
I like that goal. I love that. Yeah. Thank you. I love that.
You can kiss it too, the others have.
I didn't wear my red tonight.
Oh man. Thank you, Corbin. You too. Casual. I am just standing right by Corbin Blue right now. Like that's him. That's him. That's him. Wow, 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 wow. So we just met Corbin Blue. We got some autographs, got some pictures. Casual. It's so casual.
He told me to follow my dreams.
What is this? What is this?
Guys, what did we just do?
We just met Corbin Blue.
Susan, what did we just do?
Oh no, you can't really see it in the light. Alice and I literally have the same car. We have the same car. Same car.
See, like anywhere. Just wait.
Amazing donuts I've ever had in my entire existence.
Toby is sleeping. Toby. Toby. Show us your new room. Okay, I'll show it. This is Peter's new room.
Walk in there.
No, I can't walk in. The floor is wet.
Toby hiss.
Did you pick a new chair? It's been a while.
And when I first opened this catalog, I thought
Oh my goodness. You have to get on top of it and take the picture. James.
Peter is aggressively petting Tub.
I selected a new chair about 3 weeks ago.
Poor Tub.
Normally I would promise you this old one. It's way done.
Dude.
What are we doing?
Waiting in line.
For what?
The bathroom.
This is the line to see Corbin Blue in the bathroom. Who are we waiting to see? No, tell me. What's his name?
Corporate blue.
Who?
Corporate blue.
Corporate. Yeah, they're gonna mop, 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 mop to the top. Blah, 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 mop that red. Mop, 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 do the zesty mop and mop again.